Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how I created this DIY curl sponge, and I'll also be trying it on my hair. So if you want to see how I did this, please keep watching. The materials needed to make this DIY curl sponge are a quarter, a dime, a pencil, a box cutter, and of course a sponge. The first thing that I do is use my quarter to draw circles around the first side of my sponge. Now I'm taking my box cutter to outline the circle, and then I will hold the top of that up and cut underneath it to create a hole. I'm going to do this for every circle that I drew on the sponge. The dime was supposed to be used to create smaller holes on the opposite side of the sponge, because that's how normal curled sponges come, with bigger holes on one side and smaller holes on the other side. But unfortunately guys, I did run out of time, so I was unable to do that in this video. So I'll just be showing you guys how I created the bigger side. So guys, this is how my sponge turned out. I know it's definitely far from perfect, but we'll see if it does the job. So this is freshly washed hair, but it is kind of drying out, so I'm gonna add some more of this Aussie Moist conditioner into my hair along with some water. And the next thing that I'm gonna use on my hair is this Marc Coconut Curl Cream, and I'm just going to rub that inside my hair. The next thing that I'm going to use is some Eco Styling Gel, and this is the Argan Oil one. So I'm going to rub that all throughout my hair, and my hair was starting to really get dry because I had washed my hair a little while before doing this video. So I'm going to take my spray bottle and add more water to my hair. Now I'm going to take my curled sponge and just rub it all over the top of my hair in circular motion. I am kind of pressing down on it, but not too hard. So far, what I'm really liking about this sponge is that all of the white in my hair from the products that I use seems to be rubbing away with the sponge. So that's really good, because it means that I wouldn't have to wait for my hair to dry after I'm done. So that's definitely a plus for me. It seems to be working pretty well. It definitely is locking the strands of my hair together and creating that nice coily look. Something that I should advise you guys if you do decide to make this is wash the sponge out with water before applying it to your hair. I was supposed to do this, but I was in a rush, so I did not. The yellow residue from the sponge where you were cutting wouldn't stick to your hair, and that happened to me, so I had to manually pick it out. So you do want to wash the sponge before putting it on your hair after cutting it. So after doing this for quite some time, this is how my hair is looking. I really see a big difference in my hair from using the sponge. Here you can see some of the specks of the sponge in my hair, and this is what I was meaning earlier. It was because I didn't wash the sponge, but that's fine. I'll just pick them out of my hair before I go out the door, so that's not a big deal. But if you just wash your sponge before using it, you can avoid having to do that. Overall, I really love the way that my hair did turn out, and I definitely will be using the sponge again on my hair because it was quick and it was very easy to do. So here's my hair before and after using the sponge so that you can really see the difference that the sponge made. So guys, that is the end of this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of me, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.